If you're wondering which platform offers better customization for e-commerce sites, BigCommerce or WooCommerce, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know the pros and cons of each and which one could suit your business goals better. But I'm also going to reveal a surprising alternative at the end that could just outshine both of these platforms for customization. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Let's start by talking about BigCommerce customization options. BigCommerce is a hosted solution, which means it takes care of hosting and security for you. But that also means you have less control over the backend compared to self-hosted platforms like WooCommerce. BigCommerce does provide a range of customization tools, including a variety of pre-designed themes, a drag-and-drop editor, and the ability to edit the code directly. This is perfect if you want to modify certain aspects of your site without needing a developer. But here's the catch: while the drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, you're still somewhat limited by what BigCommerce offers out of the box. For those who need more advanced features, you may find yourself having to upgrade to higher tier plans to access things like custom fields or advanced filtering options. The limitations here might be frustrating if you have specific customization needs and are working with a tight budget. Next thing, WooCommerce. WooCommerce, being a WordPress plugin, is a much more flexible option when it comes to customization. Since it's open source, you have access to its core code, and you can modify it to suit your exact needs. You can install third-party themes and plugins, which gives you the flexibility to make your store look and function however you want. However, this also means that you're responsible for hosting, security, and maintenance, which can be a burden if you don't have the technical expertise. WooCommerce also offers tons of extensions, but they come at a cost. While some features are free, most of the premium features require additional investment. You'll need to weigh that against BigCommerce higher-tier pricing for more features. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the options WooCommerce offers, and if you're not a developer, customizing your site could become time-consuming. The fourth thing to consider is the speed and performance of both platforms. BigCommerce tends to perform better out of the box because it's hosted for you. You don't need to worry about server configurations or slow load times. WooCommerce, on the other hand, can struggle with performance if your hosting provider isn't up to the task. So, if you don't optimize your hosting setup, WooCommerce can become slow and sluggish. But customization doesn't just come down to themes and plugins. The integration options are another huge factor. BigCommerce does a great job of offering integrations with popular third-party tools, like email marketing platforms and shipping providers. However, WooCommerce's real strength is in its integration with WordPress. If you're already using WordPress, it's incredibly easy to integrate WooCommerce with your existing site, making it a seamless choice for many users. Next, let's talk about scalability. BigCommerce is known for its scalability. If you plan to grow your business quickly, BigCommerce can handle the traffic and product increases with ease. However, with WooCommerce, scalability can be a bit of a challenge if you don't have the right technical support. While it's possible to scale WooCommerce with the right tools, it's not as straightforward as BigCommerce built-in solutions. So, both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses. BigCommerce offers a more straightforward, managed solution with decent customization features, but it lacks the depth and freedom that WooCommerce provides with its open-source structure. WooCommerce, while offering complete flexibility and control, comes with more responsibility and could be overwhelming for users without technical expertise. Now, after trying both of these platforms and analyzing the customization aspects, I've found an even better alternative that could save you time and effort while offering a more tailored solution for your e-commerce needs. If you're looking for a more customizable and simpler solution, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see how it compares for your customization needs. The platforms mentioned today are solid choices, but if you're after the best for customization with less hassle, don't miss out on this alternative.